There is always something to be discovered, something new, something just beautiful. Or maybe it is something that is simply refreshing and tasty. So come with me and let's make some garden herbal soda. Yesterday I picked this beautiful white bedstraw in my garden and I decided to create a refreshing drink or soda. So I added some mint in the mix. Just a little bit, And I put it all in a pot. I added some water and some more. I gave it a little stir and some more water. And then I decided to add a little ginger too. Maybe I would skip that part next time. I'm not quite sure. So, let it simmer. I strained it, put it all back, and then I added some sugar just to taste. Here, I guess, you can be creative, Stir it again, let it simmer, strain it, and when I had my first taste, it was just delicious. Reminded me of root beer or lifesavers. I don't know, just a familiar taste. You could call it a Coke, I guess. Cheers to you. La-di-da.